Good afternoon, everybody. My name is Inoue from Japan. I really appreciate to DIA to invite me here and have a chance to talk in front of all of you. I have been working in the field of industrial design for more than 30 years. And after that, I involved myself into design education for students to teach design and design thinking at the University in Nagoya. And at the same time, working on manufacturing revitalization of industry around Nagoya. Since I am the newcomer, so it's better for me to talk about myself. And then give some talk about design, how to good experience, and show you some works done by our students. So here are so many students, right? And about your age, I was a student of industrial design and ergonomics I was learning and hoping to be a designer. And after I graduated from school, I was in Chiba University in Japan, and soon after that, I graduated from Chiba. I joined Toshiba Design Center and started my professional career as designers. So today, as my introduction, I'll show you some works I done for Toshiba first. After I joined Toshiba Design in 1979, I started my design works from that kind of a very small home appliances. And soon after that, 5 years later, I moved to a social infrastructure design group. So I designed those kind of apparatus mainly. And after that, from 1986 to 88, 1 year and several months, my company sent me to Italy, Domus Academy. And there, I learned industrial design again. And the Domus Academy was a postgraduate school. And I remember 28 students come from all over the world. And learning with such kind of friends of different cultures and values is very, very exciting. And great teaching staffs like Ettore Sossas, Andrea Branzi, Vico Magistretti, Alessandro Mendini, Corinne Castelli, and Michele De Lucchi. I'm not sure the interpreter can translate those Italian names. I'm not sure. Anyway. And I remember what I learned in Italy at that time is design not only mere products, but create the effect caused by products. That is, design experience delivered by the product, the same thing, but 30 years before. After coming back to Tokyo, I designed many apparatus and facilities for professionals mainly, and some time for customers, and only a little bit, sometimes, for our staff. Do you know what I mean? The right-hand side bottom, that is mode transfer. That mode transfer is not visible to the general public. But this color, shocking blue, shocking pink, is motivated people involved. So our staff, like engineer and manufacturers, motivated a lot. So design sometimes is not for only customers, but also for your own stuff. So from 1996, I moved to Singapore and started design of consumer electronics, such as TV or VCR. And in 2001, I moved to United States and was conducting the marketing team in Toshiba America in New Jersey as a design director for 4 years. And then I came back to Japan, Tokyo, Toshiba Design Center, and was in charge of a design strategy of design, Toshiba Design as a group manager. In Toshiba Design Center, more than 180 designers working together. I worked for drafting strategy planning of the organization. And between 2010 and 12, I conducted Toshiba Design Center as a general manager and totally managed the design of Toshiba products and services for global market. I held lectures and workshops on the design thinking for FTI in Bangkok, or have some workshop for several universities in Japan. And from April 2013, I started a new career as a professor of Architecture and Design Department of Nagoya Institute of Technology. I've been teaching the product design and design management in the Graduate School of Engineering and did the workshop for Children's University in China too. In my laboratory, I'm more focused on how to design good experiences by design thinking and by prototyping. Design department in Nagoya, NIT, started from 2004, and I joined NIT in 2013. I thought we had to look for our directions at Design Department of Technological Institute. One of the directions was the collaboration with other engineering specialties. I talked with IT professor and suggested, shall we work together to create new values? He agreed. And soon after that, we started a project named Prototyping PJ. This is a photo. When the first Prototyping PJ, first Prototyping PJ started 5 years before. The objective of this PJ is to create new experiences. Not on the screen, but the real products. To make a real product caused a new experience. Because there are not any collaborations between the different departments in the university. University is very, very traditional or conservative. So this kind of PJ never held in my school. And both IT and design students worked together. They kept working very, very hard and learned a lot of things each other from collaborations. After conducting the project for years, I noticed something. Joint relationship created mutual trust. They became to trust each other. And this relationship is very, very crucial, important for creative works. and they become more challengeable. And we're aiming more difficulties. I show you some works created by the project. So this is a kind of electric game named Sequence 4, played by 2 players with their finger movement, gesture. And complete by arranging colors in a row. Horizontally or diagonally. Yeah, actually this was done by 2 design students and IT students. And the next one. So this is an electric maze with amazing. Maybe you know. Move the metal ball from starting spot to the goal by tilting or adjusting the angles. And sometimes such kind of warp. Turn the table or open the gate. Almost. More. And now this product is improved and developed as an educational toy for learning programming. We presented at South by Southwest exhibitions in US last year. So this is another electric toy. The kind of Othello game or reverse can be played by maximum 8 people. In this case, they played with four people. So this 100 blocks of acrylic, which turn to 8 colors. In this case, 4 colors, including white. It's 5 colors actually. Every white lighting block can be pushed, and it turns to red, blue, green, yellow, such assigned colors. Players assigned color. Players can push the white one lighting block and change to assigned color. So when same color blocks sandwich other color blocks, those blocks are turned over. And of course, objective of the game is to get the majority of assignment colors. In this case, green won. We are not designing only games. So this is a kind of a collaboration done by mechanical engineering and some company and us. And the original leg type traveling robot, this one. which keep working without any power unit. And based on this technology, the working rehabilitation assistance device, so this one, was made by our engineering laboratories and one company. And we joined the development and tried to create a new rehabilitation experience. Its concept is from easy to use to want to use or eager to use. The important thing is how to create the motivation for working ability acquisition is the key. So, with no knee mechanism, it's simply designed by curving the leg and adapting a Disney character on the feet. This device has some functions not performed yet and has some problems should be solved. So still, it's in development. This is original one. You know, too much complicated. So we make it without knee. Of course, still some problems. So this is another collaboration. Iron furniture, jointly developed with a certain iron factory. It is a lightweight, super lightweight chair, taking advantage of strength and flexibility of iron material. The iron superleggera. And the big point is the recoil of the iron softly assists the standing up posture. I'm now thinking that it's how do you think? Could you accept this iron's superleggera for DIA next year? I hope. As you can see, we are challenging to create many new experiences through various joint projects. We use design thinking and prototyping to create those new experiences. And I will show you some video. The key of the good design is how to deliver good experiences. And you can, of course, create new experience by hardware prototyping and also like video prototyping. This is very famous promotion video made by Toshiba in 2011.
Flowers can't wait to dance in the crispy wind. Here comes the hummingbird singing in the spring sun hurries up and warms up us all. She's mad at the sunshine, it's getting too hot. And she makes me go buy extra big ice cream. The next day was raining for all day long. She yelled to the sky, oh why on my holiday? Every day, every night, all that you do is making my life beautiful. And baby, what is waiting for us after 10 years? Wonderful life, my darling. Her favorite season, the fall is near. She reads, she naps, and eats lunch, then a nap. Sleeping Beauty got a kiss from her lap. Well, I guess my princess still in her dream. Winter time, holy night, Christmas time. We take out 2 chairs to the front porch and sit quietly and peacefully. Stars are shining. She smiles at me and say, I love you. Every day, every night, all that you say is making my life very special. Baby, what is waiting for us when we go home? One warming light, my darling. I love you, I need you, I really do. You are the light of my life. Baby, what is waiting for us after 10 years?
Yeah, it says, because LED continue 10 years, so this kind of calendar, it's promotion video. So you experience 10 years length in 2 minutes.